The side effect of dihydrotachosterol is hypertension. Route of administration of dihydrotachosterol is oral. Which of the following statements refers to cholecalciferol? Mechanism of action is genomic effects and cytoplasmic effects. Indication for cholecalciferol administration is malabsorption of vitamin D from intestine. Route of administration of cholecalciferol is oral. The unwanted effect of cholecalciferol is CNS toxicity. The unwanted effect of dihydrotachosterol is CNS toxicity. Indication for dihydrotachosterol administration is hypophosphatemia. Conditions associated with hypophosphatemia include primary hyperparathyroidism, vitamin D deficiency, and idiopathic hypercalciuria. The long-term effects of hypophosphatemia include proximal muscle weakness and abnormal bone mineralization. This consideration is true. Recommended phosphorus daily allowance is 900 to 1200 mg. Interactions with other drugs of phosphorus is calcitonin increases renal excretion. Indication for pamidronate administration is hypercalcemia. Route of administration of pamidronate is intravenous. Correct statement about pamidronate include all of the following except skeletal half-life of 24 hours. Route of administration of alendronate is oral. Correct statement about alendronate include all of the following except first generation biphosphonate. Indications of alendronate are the following except hypoparathyroidism. Indication for etidronate administration is Paget's disease. Indications for etidronate administration are the following except hypophosphatemia. Which of the following statement refers to etidronate? Bioavailability increases with the administered dose. Correct statement about etidronate include all the following except second generation biphosphonate. Unwanted effect of etidronate is defective bone mineralization. The major causes of hypocalcemia in adult are hypoparathyroidism, vitamin D deficiency, renal failure and malabsorption. The major causes of hypercalcemia in the adult are the following except renal failure and malabsorption.